Hey YouTube, what's going on? In today's video, I'm gonna give you guys an updated version of how to get free thread followers in just 5 minutes. Totally free, guys. And as you can see, guys, followers increasing on the screen. Real followers, no fake accounts. So this is going to be the easiest way of how to get this. This is going to get you pretty much an unlimited amount of followers. Watch the video till the end and focus on the steps. And also there is a giveaway announcement at the end of the video. And as you see, guys, I will leave the account link in the pinned comment so you can make sure yourself. I use this way on Android and iOS. I just send myself some followers and I'm gonna show you that. I'm in followers right now. And if we go check our little notifications, look how many people have started following me. Guys, look how many followers I keep adding. And these are real looking accounts, like real names and stuff like this. So this is all working. And you guys are going to be able to get this as well for free. Well, let's go ahead and show you how to do it right now. First, from the app, what we are going to do then, go to the 3 little dashes up here. It might be a little different in iOS. You are there, go to settings and go to privacy and make sure your account is not private. So if your account is a private account, followers will not be sent. So make sure you're not on private account. It has to be public. And that's really the only setting we need to check in the app. After that, we go to mobile settings, then notifications and control center. App notifications, and then search for Thread app. Turn off the notification. After that, we will go back to mobile settings again. Then go to apps, manage apps, then search for the Threads app also. And scroll down. Then press clear data and clear the cache. Those past 3 steps are very important before we start, guys. And now we will go ahead to your browser, not Google, guys. We need a browser. And then we will open this amazing website. I will leave it also in the pinned comment so you can find it easily. Well, as you see, guys, this website is totally easy to use. You can gain free followers on Threads 100% free. And there is more than 300 users are using this method right now. So what we will do right now, press get started. Then we will wait the website to connect. Now he connected successfully and needs my username. We must make sure of the right username. So I will go back to the Threads application and copy the accurate username. Tech Tricks 1, as you see, guys. Now we go back to the website again and I will paste it here, guys, as you see. After this, I will choose the device system, Android or iOS, and choose the quantity of followers I want to generate. I advise you to choose 5,000 followers, and then we will press continue. And now, as we see, he found account successfully and generating followers to my Threads account. It takes few seconds to process and verification. And now it's asking for manual verify to make sure you are not a bot or generating followers for fake account. And as you see, the website asked me to complete the last step to get my free followers. After we press verify now, it will route you to the last step. This step could be a survey or email register or downloading an app. It won't take a minute from you. You will need to complete 2 simple tasks to verify. Make sure you are doing the required correctly. And now, as you see on the screen, how many followers I get. 3 minutes ago, 3 minutes ago, 3 minutes ago, 13 minutes ago, 13 minutes ago. You can use it many times, guys. And if the method didn't work with you, send me on Instagram or leave a comment here. If the method worked, don't forget to subscribe in the channel. And about the giveaway, put your account name in 3 comments and share the video to get 20,000 real Thread followers. Thank you for watching, guys. Wait for more.